Action. All right, we're here with our 1953 Alcort Sunfish Zip, and we're applying a Total Boat TotalFair. It's a fairing compound over the letterbox repairs that we did to the hull. There's epoxy underneath. We left that a little shallow so we could put the fairing compound over the top. Fairing compound is two components and an epoxy and a hardener with an additive that's a soft filler, so we can come back, and once this dries it'll be easy to sand and shape. We're putting it on a little thick today. We probably end up sanding most of it off, but just want to get it smooth, but we do still want to have a little bit of the grain show through when we're done working on it. So this is our Alcort Sunfish Zip.